The suppliers, they come here in the summit, and the one-to-ones are very well organized during a tight time schedule. That means that there is already a filter in place, a filter from Marcus Events team. Like this, I don't have to personally scout for innovation, and also I don't have to answer to these messages on LinkedIn from people approaching me and telling me, hi, I am a vendor, I have this amazing sustainable solution, which the majority of the times when I take back to my team, to my material scientists at the Estée Lauder Companies, they tell me, no, the claim is not true, it's not really sustainable. So it's really fantastic. First of all, I appreciate this pre-filter, this pre-selection. And the second thing I really appreciate is that it's really well planned within the day and between the talks and the presentations. That means that someone cannot hold on you for like 1 hour talking to you. It's predefined, you have like 30 minutes with them, and then you move to a talk or to another one-to-one.